Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The brake fluid journey continues. Initially the light came on, fluid was low, so I made last week's video brake fluid flush because I haven't done one in 2 to 3 years, so it made sense. Everything was good, driving and braking felt normal, but after a week or two, the brake light came back on again and fluid was low again. So now I'm thinking potentially a leak somewhere, so I took the wheels off and found this little leak right here. I don't know how I didn't catch this during the brake flush, but I was probably too focused on that video. So now let's do some research on how to replace this hose. Okay, I really like this video by Ali Mech on how to change out that hose. I also called a few dealerships around me, gave them my VIN number, and they should have the part for me. Let's go pick it up. I am back from shopping and here is the part number. It looks right. I think I have all the tools I need. Some wrenches from the brake bleed video, a couple of channel locks I got a while ago. I also moved the K-truck out on the street. Let's jack it up and take a look. One of the videos said to press down on the brakes so we don't lose too much fluid during the replacement. So I'm using a 2x4 and turn the steering wheel so we can make room here and help us work a little easier. The slow drip is still there onto the floor. Only thing I've done is remove this clip with some pliers. I'm going to WD-40 everything, clean up these areas, make sure none of those fasteners are seized so we have an easy replacement. The good news is this and this one loosened up pretty easily, but the bad news is I think I'm starting to strip this a little bit, so we are so close. I really thought this was an easy DIY I can handle myself, but clearly I am not that experienced yet. So instead of making that worse, we are gonna go to a real mechanic. Video 219 done.